Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is adjectives in Iqra Applied Grammar book. Students, open your books on page 22. This lesson is only for Varsak branch student for to learn their grammar. Adjectives. Students, an adjective tells the quality of a person, place or a thing. What is adjective? An adjective tells the quality of a person, place or a thing. It is a part of speech. An adjective tells the quality of a person, place or a thing. Let's start to read the poem. I think mice are rather nice. Their tails are long, their faces small. They haven't any chins at all. Their ears are pink. Their teeth are white. They run about the house at night. They nibble things they shouldn't touch, and no one seems to like them much. But I think mice are nice. Nice, long, small, pink, white and nice. These are the words that modify, that enhance, that gives more information about noun in this poem, in the sentences. An adjective tells the quality of a person, place or a thing. Which types of qualities? In single quality, my brother is nice. This is single quality used in a sentence. My sister is helpful. Two qualities together in a sentence. My uncle is kind and helpful. My friend is sincere and honest. Three qualities together. My friend is loving and caring. Moreover, he is friendly too. My mother is hardworking and dutiful. Moreover, she is faithful too. These are the word bank. Look at the picture and complete the physical description of the child with the help of the words given in the box. These are the words. I have chosen some words. He is smart, his hair is silky, his face is round, his eyes are clean, his nose is small, his complexion is fair. Describe your brother physically taking help from the above activity. Students, I have chosen the words from the word bank. My brother is strong, his hair is silky, his face is round, his eyes are clean, his nose is big, his complexion is fair, his cheeks are pink. Students, you can write about your brother. Students, you can describe your brother physically by taking help from the above activity, but you can do it in your activity copy. In grammar book, you will write these sentences. Describe your friend by completing the sentence. You may take help from the words given in the box. My friend is sincere and reliable. She is honest and hardworking. She is wise and brave. She is calm and clever. She is faithful and intelligent. Describe your teacher by filling the gaps using suitable words from the words given in the box. My teacher is sensible and energetic. She is jolly. She is polite and humble. Moreover, she is fair. My teacher is sensible and energetic. Moreover, she is jolly. She is polite and humble. Moreover, she is fair. She is confident and competent. Moreover, she is creative. Moreover, she is creative. Look at the description of a character. I am Ali. I am in class 6. I am 11 years old. I am tall and smart. I have clear eyes. I have fair skin. I am intelligent and attentive. I am active and energetic. Moreover, I am confident too. I am creative but talkative. I am thankful to Allah Almighty for everything. Now write about yourself. I am Sana. Students, write your name in this blank. I am in class 6. I am 12 years old. You will mention your age. I am tall and smart. I have round face. I have wavy hair. I am polite and sensible. I am creative and confident. I am tidy too. I am witty and nervous. I am thankful to Allah Almighty for everything. Learn to speak, work in pairs and tell two strong points of yourself and other. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Tell two weak points of yourself in two sentences. Tell two strong points of yourself in two sentences. Tell two weak points. Tell two weak points of your friend together. Tell two strong points of your friend together. Tell two weak points of your younger brother together. Tell one strong point and one weak point of your cousin. Tell one strong point and one weak point of your neighbor. Students, this is your activity. You will work in pairs and tell two strong points of yourself and others. Talk about the following people for 1 minute, like your father or mother, your brother or sister. This is also your activity. You will write in your off copy or activity copy. Ask and reply. Is he, she or it smart? If yes, then you will choose yes he is. If no, then you will choose no he is not. Are you, we, are they hardworking? If yes, then you will choose yes we are, or no, then you will choose no we are not. Assalamu alaikum, walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Is your hair black? Is your father tall? Is your friend loving and caring? Is your mother kind and caring? Is your brother helpful and cooperative? You will write the answer for these questions in your activity copy. Learn to write. Describe your father or mother in 10 sentences. Describe your brother or sister in 10 sentences. Describe your friend in 10 sentences. You will do this work in your activity copy. These work. Do this work in your grammar book and learn it. Bring your grammar book to the school for checking. Stay safe at home. God bless you.